Hi, I'm Stephania. I'm here with BodyJewelry.com and I'd like to show you how to place and replace the eyebrow ring. Here are the jewelry I'd like to demonstrate with. So we take the jewelry and we unscrew one side so we can slide it right in. So we have one side open already, and usually I can slide it right through because of how long I've been doing this. Sometimes you might have to hold your eyebrow. Next, we just grab the end piece and close it right up. Screw it in, and it's on. And to remove it, you can just hold the top part or whichever side you slide it in through, unscrew, and slide it right back out. It's very simple. Thanks again for watching, and feel free to comment below. Visit us at bodyjewelry.com and don't forget to subscribe.